Hi, this is Joe from plugandplaykits.com, and this video is going to show you how to plug in my no horn honk remote starter with cell phone control on an F150 from 2015 to 2019. The first step is you're going to locate your OBD2 plug and unplug the harness that's underneath. Once unplugged, plug into my harness. Take the other end and plug it back into the vehicle. Once plugged in, you're going to take the 4-pin black power plug and hold the button on the remote start while plugging it in. And you're going to let go when you see the blue LED. If you miss it, it'll cycle back around. Let go on blue. Once blue, take your white plug and plug into the remote starter. At this point, all your other connections are made. Make sure that your cell phone control app module is plugged into the blue plug and that your black plug from this harness is plugged into the black plug coming from your main harness. At this point, you're going to turn your ignition to the on position. If you have a push to start vehicle, you're going to press the button once. You'll notice on the module that after a few seconds, the blue light will flash blue. You can now turn it off. Programming is complete. Okay, I'm now going to show you how to use my cell phone control app. Open the app and you'll notice the 4 buttons: start, stop, lock, and unlock. To lock your vehicle, press the lock button. To unlock, press the unlock button. To start, press the start button. And to turn off the car, press the stop button. You will notice that your green cell phone strength indicator and your battery indicator are in green. When the first indicator is green, you know that you're connected. Thanks for watching.